Hey cuties, it's Rachel. What's up with you today? So guys, it's time to finish off the Habit series. Like honestly, I'm so excited to watch this video, but at the same time, I'm sad because, you know, it's the end of the Habit series, guys. Like I'm gonna miss watching these so much. I'm honestly so excited for this because the creator of the Habit series is called Squishy Min Yoongi. So clearly, sugar is their bias. I just feel like this video is going to be so extra, and honestly, I can't wait to watch it. So let's get straight into this. So guys, just before we get stuck into this, I wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in. And today's shout out goes to Squishy Min Yoongi. Like, thank you so much for creating these Habit series. Honestly, your edits are amazing, and every single video has helped me get to know the boys even more. Honestly, it's just amazing. And to everyone watching right now, please subscribe to Squishy Min Yoongi. Like, I'll put their link in the description below. But anyways, but hey guys, look how adorable he looks. Honestly, he literally looks like Squishy Min Yoongi there. But anyways guys, I'm so excited, and sugar is also my sister's bias, so she is gonna love this video when I show it to her. But anyways, let's get it.
Hello everyone, let's make this short and sweet. Today we'll be discussing a few of the many little habits that Min Yoongi has picked up. Let's get started, shall we? Habit number 1, the way he talks in pouch.
슈가님 뭐 그리지?
푸들입니다.
푸들이요?
네, 저희 집 갈색 푸들이에요.
셰프 알파카. 뭐 나올 것 같은데요?
원래 이런 거 대충 이게 캐릭터들이 나와 있지 않나요?
아니요, 전혀 없어요.
근데 굉장히 큰 문제가 됐어요.
He does always talk like that.
앞으로
아니 저 어제 11시에 수서 밖에 와이파이가 되는 거야. 그래가지고 영상 봐.
아, 못 먹다가 먹으니까 맛있네.
I've never tried tteokbokki before, but I always see it on mukbang. Like guys, if you know what it tastes like, please let me know. Look at the pout already.
상세히 얘기를 해주신다면 정말 감사하겠습니다.
저 찍어줘.
Habit number 2 is no scrunches.
나 지금 한 15번 배웠다. 냉동실.
Quite a few of them have that habit, don't they? Honestly, it's so adorable.
역시 최고의 랩.
척이.
He's got such a cute smile. Oh.
Habit number 3, the little dance he does when he gets all excited.
뭐야 이거?
진짜 어때요? Oh, that's so cute. That is such a cute habit.
When he makes that one little face where the corners of his lips turn.
Oh, that's so cute.
Habit number 5, the way he rests his head on his hand and his pinky does that thing.
뭔 말인지 알겠다.
되게
Habit number 6, when he gets super happy and his gummy smile comes out.
Oh, yeah. I literally love his gummy smile so much. I swear, it genuinely makes him so special. It's so cute. Oh? blood? Oh. Oh, he's doing the little scrunches too.
Habit number 7. His high-pitched screams and laughs.
Oh my gosh, this is actually giving me life. Like, once again, I love these habit series because honestly, the first time I ever saw Suga, I was like, oh, he is so mysterious and quiet. And like, to be honest, he is quite a shy person anyways, but behind closed doors, this is literally squishy Min Yoongi. Like, on stage, he's Suga and Orgs D, and then behind closed doors, he's squishy Min Yoongi. Like, he's honestly so sweet, and I love his cute side. Like, I swear, these boys' duality is so dangerous.
Habit number 8. The way he runs. Habit number 9. Him licking his lips.
Oh, he does that a lot.
Another level.
Oh!
Habit number 10. Balancing plushies on his head.
This is a habit? Wow. No. The little smile. Sugar, really? Oh my god, he does it so much.
Habit number
I
11.
love that, that's
That little
adorable.
purring noise he makes while he's talking.
슈가 여러분, 멜론 뮤직가 돼서 이게 나갈 때쯤 멘트 좀 쓰면서
Is it weird that I like him? I never noticed he did this. I love this.
Habit number 12. The way he sleeps
Wow,
with
so
his
many
hands in
habits.
between his legs.
평범한 잠. 슈가가 이렇게 잔다.
왜 딩동댕이 저 손 좀 어떻게 하면 안 돼요?
여기 손이 떨어지기 싫어 여기. 추다.
Oh. He loves sleeping, doesn't he? Looks quite
Habit number
comfy.
13. The way he touches his ears when he gets shy.
저는 최근에 이제 되게 좋아하는 사람이 코엑시스트라고.
We're making history. Maybe history, maybe. History, yeah. History, yeah. The best movie in Korea. Yeah. Really?
영어로 뭐라 해야
They have made history.
Faker.
Oh.
You guys should collaborate with Eminem. That would be good too.
I can't.
Habit number 40.
Oh my god,
The
it's
way
so
he
funny.
gets all happy when they're done filming.
Oh.
윙스 대박 나게 기도하겠습니다, 여러분. 화이팅!
Whoa. That's so cute. He just wants to go to bed, doesn't he?
Habit number 15. The way he sucks in air while he's talking.
Oh, he does.
참 앞으로 이 예를 다시 할 때
I've actually noticed him do this a lot when he talks, but that is so adorable.
아무래도
He likes just making loads of sound effects, doesn't he?
자, 정말 저희
땡미
Oh.
Habit number 16. Him poking his tongue
16.
out. Habit number 17. When he zones out and his mouth hangs open.
뭐 이렇게 시간을 많이 끌어?
그죠?
갑니다. 지금 다 집중해주세요. 집중.
정도는 너무 약해요.
Alright, those are all the habits we'll be discussing today. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Also, thank you to everyone on my Instagram who helped me make this list or sent me videos. of
Oh,
these little
wow,
habits
that's
and stuff. Thank you
amazing.
so much. Okay, I'll go now. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it a lot and see you next week.
Yeah. I need to watch this like BTS Olympics.
정확히 조준점 여기입니다. 어디요, 어디? 조준점 여기입니다. 아, 그만 만져! 아, 그만 만져! 아, 진짜 그만 만져!
Naughty hands.
불자! 불자, 오늘의
Oh my goodness gracious me, guys. Seeing BTS when they're literally just having like the most fun and being ridiculous is the best way to see them. Seriously, guys, I am so sad that that is the end of the Habit series. But honestly, that video was just adorable. Like, as I said, when I first got to know BTS, I generally thought, like, you know, Suga was very mysterious and he's very cool as well. Like, the way he's quite shy and laid back. And then you see the squishy Min Yoongi come out of him and it's like, these boys are just generally adorable. Like, I love the fact that although in real life he is very introverted and, you know, he's much more quiet and to himself, at the same time, like when he's comfortable and, you know, around the boys, he's just like this wild little squishy Min Yoongi, and I love it. It's like they have so much personality and it's what makes them so special. But seriously, I'm so sad that this series is over, guys. Like, Please let me know any more videos to continue getting to know the boys. Like, I swear, I learn something new with every video I watch, and I love it. It just makes you fall in love with them more and more, and that is all I want. But anyways, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But anyways, tune in next time.